Hello everyone. Take the center of the hair and make a small slit in it at the eyebrow level. As for the other two sides, make a slit at the eye level, and finally on the upper ends, make another slit at the eyebrow level. Now, according to the markings that have been made, make a zigzag cut as such. Make it curved. Do this on either side. It should look almost like a heart shape. Now, take the center sections of the hair, two very small sections, and then cut it at the lip level. Take the other two sides and then cut it at the level of the chin and make it a straight cut. Once you are done with this, take the other side of the hair, pull a comb through it, and then make a diagonal cut in the hair. Once you are done making the diagonal cut, pull a comb through and then make vertical cuts in the hair. Then, pull the comb through on the other side as well, finish the diagonal cut, and then make your vertical cuts. Then, after making your vertical cuts, comb the hair in place. Take one section of the hair and then use a hair straightener in order to set the hair in place. Do this on either side so that it frames the face well. This is the final look. Next, take the center section of the hair and then pull a comb through it. Then, take the hair and then cut it at the eye level. Once you are done with this, take two sections from either side and then put it at the level of the lips and then cut it accordingly. Taking the rest outer sections of the hair, cut it at the level of the chin. Now pull a comb through and then begin to make vertical cuts in the hair as such. Make them slightly diagonal as well so that they blend in with the central cut portion that you have made. That is the bangs. Now take your center bangs and then begin to make diagonal cuts through it while making it vertical as well. This will cause some sort of sections. As for the sides, use a hair straightener to frame the hair on the face and then set it and add more volume to it. Next, take the front sections of the hair, pull a comb through it. After this, pull the comb through, make a slight diagonal tilt, and then begin to make a cut through the hair. You should be left with an opposite U shape, but make sure that it is very subtle. Now do the same on the other section as well. Now, once you are done with this, take the hair and then begin to make vertical cuts through it. This is what you should be left with. As for the sides, cut it at around the lip level as such. Then take the hair, use a hair straightener to puff it out slightly, and this will add more volume to the hair. Do the same for the sides as well. Thank you for watching.